Here are 5 side hustles for 2026 that you can start right now to boost your income. But most people won't take action on any of them. Will you? First up, AI-assisted freelancing. Use powerful AI tools for writing, design, or video editing. This lets you deliver amazing results way faster, meaning you get paid more for your time. Number 2, digital products. Think Notion templates, ebooks, or design assets. You create the product just once and you can sell it over and over again, earning passive income while you sleep. Third is short form content. TikTok, Reels, and Shorts are king. If you can capture attention, you can turn those views into real income through brand deals and affiliate marketing. Fourth, local business automation. Help small businesses set up simple systems like chatbots or automated booking. You set it up once and collect a monthly fee for your service. And finally, number 5, reselling and flipping. Use data to find undervalued items like sneakers or electronics, buy them low and sell them high online for a profit. If you want a free step-by-step plan to get started with these, comment 2026 down below and I'll send it over to you. And don't forget to follow for more daily side hustle ideas. Thanks for watching.